Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn about how to do fundamental analysis for free. We're going to analyze the stock and help you to inform your investment decision. This is not financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purpose. My name is Samuel. If you find value in this video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And let's jump into it. New video come every week. Let's start. So to begin, we will go to Google Finance. Google Finance. So you type in Google Finance and then you use the first link below. The first link that comes up, Google Finance. You click on it and then you put in the symbol of the stock you're looking for, or you can type in the name. So now I'm going to use NVIDIA, which is NVDA. So that's it. You click on it, and then once you click on this, you look at the stock and then it gives you idea. So the first one is the chart that shows you how the price of the stock, which is $188.15 as currently. That's the closing price of as of Friday, November 7th. Today is November 8th, 2025. So on 5 days, it's been down 9%, 9.5%. Last month, it's been down 0.5, but 6 months, it's been up 60. 1 year to date is 40%, 40%, and then on 1 year, it's been up 27%. So when you look at the page, this tells you the stock, the price, and the chart. And then on your far right corner, right here, it gives you a glance of the whole company. So the previous closing price was $188.08. The range of the stock, so it trades about 178.9 to 188. Year range for has been $86.62, and then 212.96. The stock market cap, that's your overall company, the valuation of the company. If you add everything, how much Nvidia worth? Right now, it worth $4.57 trillion. That's how much. That's a big company up there. And then it tells you about average volume. That's 1.79.11 million. And then PE ratio is trading with PE ratio of 553.55. And then it pays dividend. That shows this company is paying dividend, currently paying 0.202% dividend, 0.02%. And it will tells you which exchange is it. This is Nasdaq stock. So now after you have the grains of the company, this is you scroll all the way down and you look for the finance. So this is going to tell you how good the company is, how strong is their balance sheet, how strong is their finances. So let's go to the yearly, from starting from 2021 to 2025. Now, as of their last earnings, Nvidia is being consistently growing. So the blue represent revenue, and yellow represent net income. So every year their revenue has been consistently growing up, and then their net income is also growing. As their revenue goes up, their net income also goes up. So you in a good company, they wants to bring in more revenue and they also keeps more. That's all. That shows how strong the company is. That's good. And then so for the right year to now, the revenue has been growing 114.20%. Their operation expenses has been going up. The net income has also been increasing consistently. So that shows how strong the company is. Then you goes to their balance sheet and look for their balance sheet. And the balance sheet, we have asset versus liability. Every strong good company their asset keeps growing and then their liability becomes smaller. So you want a company to know that this company is strong. The asset, you always want the asset, the blue line, the blue bar, to be bigger than their liability. So it's the same as in our daily life. You want your income, your savings, or your investment, everything to be bigger than the debt you have. So, if for instance, if you have $10,000 in your bank account and then you owe credit card $1,000 or $2,000, then you have $8,000 as your net account. But you don't want to have 10,000 credit card loan and then you have 2,000 in your savings. That means you owing a lot and it brings stress. So the same applies to the company. So you will invest in companies that's making more money and being strong. And then you goes to that shows you about, and you can also view quarterly. So every 3 months they still been consistently growing their asset. And then you see the cash flow. They are also having a net positive cash flow. So that's how quickly you can analyze any stock that you want to invest in it. That's how you do your fundamental analysis. Thanks for watching. Comment below. Give me a stock that you think you want us to analyze, and we will see if it's a great company or if it's just a hype. So thanks for watching. New video comes every week. Please subscribe, like, and share. Have a blessed day. Bye.